What's wrong?
It won't go.
It won't go into gear?
No.
What does it show? What does it say? It says it's still in park, but we're in like almost the neutral. Okay, put it into park. It's locked?
Yes.
Okay, try turning off the key. Take the key out.
I can't.
Okay, try to put it back into... You got the key out? Okay,
Yes.
Put it back into park. We'll go. Now it goes?
Yes.
You're right, there's definitely something wrong. Okay, let's check under the hood and see what's going on. Melanie, you don't look too happy.
My car's broken.
Okay, I just love quick fixes. So what happened was, it looks like the shift cable, the little plastic insert, well actually it's more of a rubber insert, actually broke on us. It looks like what happened is the shift cable came off the little ball joint right here, and you can see it's broke. So it looks like the cable has this little end piece right here with a bolt that is adjustable. The VW dealer is just down the street, so we can go check out and maybe see if we can get just this end piece. I'm going to need a screwdriver to get that off. Nope, I got it. So this is the broken piece. Oh, here's the other. Here's the top. And this is like a really flexible rubber, where the shift linkage right here is like hard plastic, and it looks like it just has this. All right, so let's go down to the dealer. Now this car is a 2012 VW Golf that we just bought for Melanie's high school graduation. And we were just ready to head down to the beach, get some, because Melanie just has her driver's permit, so we were going to put some miles on the car, and it wouldn't shift. It wouldn't go into gear. So what did we do? There's a VW dealer just down the street, so we went down there to just see if we could get the end to this cable. What'd the dealer say?
Said they can't do it.
Said no. How do they sell it?
It comes in one full piece.
We had to buy. They wanted to sell us the whole cable. How much did they want for the cable?
I know, wasn't it like $200 or something?
It was like $250 for the cable. So we went on eBay. eBay had a used cable. You could buy, like a wrecking yard cable. They were like, usually about 50% off. So they were like $125. But even, at the dealer, they wanted $250, and we really wanted to get it fixed. But that's a lot of work, even though, you've got to do all this work. You got to take probably a lot of this a lot of the console apart to even get to it. Do you have $250?
I mean, I do, but I don't want to spend it on the car.
She didn't want to spend $250 on just this little rubber thing that broke inside. So we were at the dealer, and what did the dealer guy say? We said, hey, we just want the end. $25, $30. We can get just the end. He said,
go on eBay.
He actually recommended, he said, hey, there's a place on eBay that you can get the little insert. So while we were there, I went on eBay, and I found the guy. It's called bushingfix.com. I'll leave a link down, a link below in the description box on this part number. And he doesn't just make these for the VWs, although he's got a whole list. It looks like, the VW, the Audis. He's got Trans Am. He's got stuff for Fords, Chevys. So I think he makes a lot of these inserts for a lot of different cars. Okay, so here's the new one. The new fits the little ball joint, and on the back is the top cap, which is what broke on the original one. The top little portion broke, and then it just lifted off. The whole cable came off, and then it wouldn't shift. So this is pretty flexible, but looks a lot harder than the original. But you can see here, this is the one that it fits. It fits the A3, the Camaro, the Golf, the Firebird, Jetta, New Beetle, Passat, and Trans Am. Shift cable repair kit, bushingfix.com. And this is part number JE1 kit. But he makes them for the Fords, the Chevys, and a lot of different things. It also actually came with a little packet of grease to put on the ball, just so it lasts a little longer. Remember, this car has 150,000 miles, which isn't really that much. And, you know, it doesn't need a cable. We just wanted the end, but you can't even buy just the end. But we were able to find just a rubber insert. And this guy's a private guy, and we're in Florida. And it turns out this company is in Lakeland, Florida, which isn't very far. So we actually got this piece in like 2 days, which is really cool. So let's put this on. And I really love quick, cheap fixes, if you can get them, by a private entrepreneur who could really help us out in this fix. You know, I'm not even going to take the cable off. I'm just going to do it right in place. Obviously, it would be a, you know, if it's in a tight space, you might have to take the cable apart and get it. I'm going to try and do this in like less than a minute once I got the part here. Okay, let's pop it in. Okay. And we can just push it through. Okay. Just use a screwdriver to kind of like maneuver it. Okay. And there you go. Just use a screwdriver to kind of tuck it through the hole a little bit. And there you go. Whoop. Maybe a little bit more here. There it goes. Make sure it's through. Cool. Okay, so we put a little grease on it and then just push it down. There you go, snapped. So the lights on in park, lights on in reverse, lights on in neutral, lights on in drive, sport mode. Okay, we got Ryan, we got Kaylee. Ah! Who's driving the car?
That would be me.
It's Melanie.